New Year's resolutions, promises to yourself, the unused gym membership. We've all tried to build a new habit, only to give up a few weeks later. The problem isn't your lack of willpower, it's your flawed system. There's a science to how habits work, and if you understand it, you can make good habits stick effortlessly. In this video, we're going to cover 4 simple steps to build a habit that actually lasts.
Before we continue, support this channel by clicking subscribe and turning on the notification bell so you'll always stay updated with the latest content from Aidil Mindset. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it.
Every habit starts with a trigger, or a cue. To start a new habit, the cue must be incredibly obvious. If you want to read more, don't keep your book on the shelf. Put it on your pillow. If you want to drink more water, fill your water bottle and place it on your desk every morning. Our brains chase dopamine. We are more likely to do something if it's attractive. So, pair the habit you want to build with something you already love to do. For example, I'm only allowed to listen to my favorite podcast while I'm exercising. Or, I will enjoy my special cup of tea after I finish meditating. Reduce the friction. The less energy a habit requires to start, the more likely you are to do it. This is the 2-minute rule. Scale your habit down into something that can be done in less than 2 minutes. Work out every day becomes put on my workout clothes. Read a book a week becomes read 1 page. Your brain needs to know the effort was worthwhile. Give yourself an immediate reward after completing your habit. The best rewards reinforce the identity you want to build. A habit tracker is a great way to do this. Checking off that box feels incredibly satisfying. So remember the 4 laws. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. What is one new habit you want to build using these 4 steps? Share it in the comments. If you're ready to build a better version of yourself, one habit at a time, hit like and subscribe to Aidil Mindset. Thanks.